So this is yeah, we have bag of beans, we have bag of oloy beans, we have bag of butter beans, you have guinea corn inside. This one is guinea corn. You have zobo here, so it's going for Webi. I'm moving in for Webi. We're going to Cross River State. Nikom. We send to Calabar, we send to other part of Cross River, and every part of Nigeria. So call me on 081 33577465 if you need it. So we are sending it for Webi right now. You can see we are on the road. See we are on the road moving for Webi. How we go on business. Sell to any part of Nigeria. Call me on 081 33577465 or WhatsApp me on 070 agricultural products supply. Our livestock and